Okay students, now I am going to start the second part of the story. Already have come to know that how Brabantio accused Othello of witchcraft and spell in order to get married to Desdemona. So he went to the Duke and complained against Othello. Now meanwhile the state of Venice was in urgent need of Othello. The Senate received the news that the Turks had set a fleet with mighty preparation for hostility, and they were moving towards the island of Cyprus with the intent to regain it from the Venetians. Now meanwhile what happened? The state of Venice was in urgent need of Othello. They needed Othello. Why? Because the Senate, Venice had received the news that the Turks had already started their journey with a fleet of ships, and they were in a very powerful position, and they were very much against the Venice, state of Venice, and they wanted to regain the island of Cyprus from the Venetians. So they were completely in the mood of showing enmity to the Venetians. In this state of emergency, Othello was deemed as the most competent general to defend Cyprus against the invasion of the Turks. So that was a great state of emergency, and at that point of time, the state of Venice only could approve Othello, as he was a very capable general to defend Cyprus, to protect Cyprus against the invasion of the Turks. Hence, Othello was summoned before the Senate. Othello was called before the Senate, and he was therefore called to the Senate both as a candidate for a noble employment and esteem, as well as a culprit charged with offences by Senator Brabantio. So, when Othello was called before the Senate, so he had two phases, and one phase was pointing at his capability as a general, and he was called for a noble employment to defend the island of Cyprus, and it was a very honorable job. On the other hand, he was considered as a culprit as he was considered as a culprit against Senator Brabantio. So the old senator was heard with utmost patience in the assembly of the senators, and the infuriated father accused Othello in outrageous manner. So old senator means Brabantio was heard with lots of patience in the assembly, in the assembly of the senators were sitting, gathering there. They heard Senator Brabantio's accusations against Othello, and the infuriated means very angry, terribly angry father blamed Othello in a very angry manner. Hence, when Othello was called upon for his defense, he had only to narrate a simple story of his love, which he did in so much artless eloquence that even the Duke had to confess that a tale so told would have won his daughter too. So Othello was called before the Senate. Othello was asked to speak for self-defense. Othello had nothing to say. Only Othello could say in a very, very plain way, in a very simple and fluent manner, and he stated that how he got the attention of Desdemona. He said that he only told stories to Desdemona, and Desdemona, he had won the heart of Desdemona by telling simple stories and simple experiences of his life. Now at that time, the Duke could understand Othello's condition and Othello's position. The Duke said what? The Duke said that if those type of stories were told to his daughter also, his daughter would have also appreciated Othello and also would have proposed Othello. So, and the spells and conjurations which Othello had used in his courtship plainly appeared to have been no more than honest arts of wooing, and the only witchcraft he had used is the skill of telling a soft tale to win a lady's heart. So if he According to the Duke, he said that if any kind of magic had been used in this courtship in between Othello and Desdemona, he had only used the honest arts of will, means honestly he had proposed to Desdemona, and also if any witchcraft had been used, he had used the skill or his expertise of telling a soft tale to win the lady's heart. The statement of Othello was confirmed by Desdemona, who appeared in court and acknowledged that she was bound by duty to Brabantio for her life and education. But now she has a higher duty to perform for her lover and husband Othello, quite like her mother had done years ago in preferring Brabantio above her father. So Desdemona pointed out what? Desdemona came and supported Othello, and she appeared before the court and she acknowledged that she was bound to duty, means she was greatly indebted to Brabantio for her life and education. But she, at that time, she had a higher duty to perform for her lover and husband Othello. Quite like her mother, means her mother had also preferred Brabantio, going against the will of her grandfather. And so the same thing Desdemona did by going against the will of her father. So Desdemona's mother also did not accept the ideals of her father. Similarly, Desdemona also could not accept the ideals of her father. So, unable to maintain his plea, Brabantio accepted the Moor as his son-in-law and told him that with all his heart he would keep her away from him. So, Brabantio could not carry on with his plea, and Brabantio had to accept because everyone was supporting Othello. Brabantio accepted the Moor as his son-in-law and told him that with all his heart he would always try to keep Desdemona away from Othello. He was also glad that he had no other children, for this behavior of Desdemona would have made him a tyrant and hang clogs on them for desertion. So at that time he thought that Desdemona was his only child. So it was rather better, because she could have set a bad example if Brabantio would have other children, and for them she would have kept a very bad example. He even warned Othello about Desdemona, who had deceived her. So he even warned Othello about Desdemona, who had deceived her father and might also deceive him. So he even warned Othello that Desdemona could deceive her father and she might cheat Othello also. So this statement was very fatal, which later struck Othello to the way of suspicion. After the trial, Othello readily went to Cyprus along with Desdemona, as she refused to stay with her father anymore. So after the trial got over, Othello readily went to Cyprus along with Desdemona, because Desdemona did not want to stay with her father anymore. She boldly declared, "I love the Moor to live with him." She boldly declared in front of everyone, in front of her father, that she had loved the Moor to live with him. So the newly married couple set sail for Cyprus, so went away to Cyprus. But as soon as they landed in Cyprus, the news arrived that a violent tempest had dispersed the Turkish fleet and the island was thus secure. So when they reached Cyprus, they got the news that there was a violent storm, there was a very great storm, and that had scattered the Turkish fleet and they could not reach the island of Cyprus, and thus the island of Cyprus was secure. But the war which Othello was to suffer was now beginning, and the enemies which malice stirred up against Desdemona proved in their nature more deadly than strangers or infidels. So the war, means the internal war of mind which Othello was to suffer, was going to start from Cyprus, and the conspiracy which was there in the island of Cyprus, and the conspiracy, which was to catch Desdemona, was more deadly than any outside enemy and other unfaithful enemies.